Okay, welcome back guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can actually change the Facebook add friends button to follow button, just like this one. I will show you how you can change it on your personal Facebook account. So before we start this tutorial, please, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now and turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you anytime I drop this kind of videos. So let's quickly get started. So once you are in the home page of your Facebook account, what you have to do is to click here. Click on these three lines here. Okay, click on it, and once it opens here, you come to settings. This is settings and privacy. So you click on settings and privacy, you click on it, then you click on settings. This is settings, you click on it. So there's no much work in this. So once it opens, what you have to do is to scroll up and locate this how people find and contact you. So once you locate it, you click on it. You see this who can send you friend request. Who can send you friend request? You have to change it. Click on it to change it. Okay, it's loading. Okay, so once it opens, what you have to do from here is to click on friends or friends. This is friends or friends here. You click on it. Okay, so after clicking on it, you go back, then you look at this post. Look at post here. This is post here. You click on it. Click on posts. Who can see your future posts? Okay, you click on it. So you have to leave this. Leave it at public. Leave it at public. You have to leave it at public. So after inputting that, you go back and locate this followers and public content. So you click on it. Okay, who can follow me? So what you have to do from here is to change these friends. You have to change it from friends to public. So look at public here. This is public. You click at public. Okay, your settings has been updated. So that's all you have to set. So let's go back and see what we have done so far. Let's go back and see what we have done so far. So let me click on my profile. Okay, view as. Let me view. Okay, I hope you saw that, guys. It's very amazing. It's wonderful. So there's no much work in doing this. There is no much work in doing this. We have successfully changed the add friend button to follow button. There's not much work in doing this. So if you have not yet subscribed to my YouTube channel, please subscribe now. And don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that YouTube will notify you whenever I drop this kind of videos. Okay, there's not much work in doing that. I hope you saw that. Just come to your settings. What we need is these three. The three of them. How people find and contact you. This post here. Okay, with this one. this one, and this one. Just the 3 of them. So just follow the steps I did on this video, and you'll successfully change your add friend button to follow button. So I hope you enjoyed watching this video, as I enjoy creating it for you. So subscribe to my YouTube channel and wait for more videos. Thanks for watching.
So guys, click on the video showing on your screen now. The video you are seeing on your screen now, just click on it to watch it. The video you are seeing there is very, very important, and I don't want you to miss this video. I'm very, very sure that you won't miss this video. Click on it to watch it now. The video you are seeing there contains lots of information. I don't want you to miss this video. Click on it to watch it now.